Discover premium home and kitchen appliances with Ultima Cosa. Looking for top-notch appliances to upgrade your lifestyle? Ultima Cosa offers innovative products that combine style, performance, and convenience for your home. Featured products. You'll love one espresso machine. Brew barista quality coffee right at home. Elegant design and easy-to-use features for perfect espresso shots every time. 2 soda maker. Create refreshing, sparkling drinks in seconds. A sleek, eco-friendly alternative to Biata store-bought sodas that saves money and reduces waste. Why choose Ultima Cosa? Modern and stylish designs, perfect for any home decor. Cutting-edge technology, reliable and efficient appliances. Unmatched. Quality, products crafted for durability and performance.